Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. This is Nye Signature. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful purse. It is very beautiful and the camera is not really doing justice to it. This purse is so beautiful and you can make it from home. It is not that expensive. So if it is something you are interested in, please stay to the end of the video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go and click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. And do well to give this video a thumbs up. I want you to try this purse and send me the picture. Send me your feedback in the comment section. Drop your comment in the comment section. Share this video so that others can also know how to make this beautiful purse. So we go straight to the cutting of this purse. I will be using this doll face satin for this purse. So you can use Duchess material, you can use other better material. So I measured a square which is 21 inches by 21 inches. So I folded it into two and I folded it into four. So it's as if you want to cut 360-degree flare. So after folding it like so, you go ahead and take your measuring tape. You take 10 inches all through, all the way around. So if you want your purse to be bigger, your bag to be bigger, you can measure more than the 21 inches I did for the whole fabric. I hope you understand. So you measure 10 inches all the way around like I did in this video. So you go ahead and connect this. After connecting it, next thing you will do is to cut out this shape. You cut it out. So you see that it will form a circle by the time you open it. So you do the same for the second fabric. I forgot to tell you it is two pieces that you need. So we've cut the first one. That 21 by 21 inches, we have cut the first one. So this is the second one. So you place this one on top this one like so, and go ahead and cut it the way you cut the first one. You can see by the time you open it, it is a circle. Can you see it? So this is circle, full circle. So I've cut out two full circle like so. So the next thing we are going to do now, you go ahead and sew it all round. Sew it all round. Then you leave 2-inch opening for you to turn it. So I'll go to my machine quickly and I'm going to sew it all around. I have done that. I've sewn it all around like so, and I also turned it. Can you see I've turned it? And I left that opening. Can you see it? That's where I use in turning it out. So what I did at the background was to cut another smaller circle, and I cut an interfacing. It is a wording, chest wording. It's a little bit thick. It will serve as the base of the purse. So I'll go ahead and join these three together. Then after joining them together, I'll go ahead and sew the edges of this full big circle. I'm going to sew it. So I'm done sewing it. Can you see I have done that? So the next thing I'm going to do is to measure 2 inches. It depends on how you want the top of your purse to look like, but mine, I went ahead to sew 2 inches all round like so, without leaving any space. So I'll quickly do that. So after doing that, after sewing the first 2 inches, I went ahead to sew another half inch like so. Can you see? You can see that it's two times I sewed one, then I gave a little space which is half inch, and I sewed it again all round, because that's where we are going to pass our rope. So for us to put our base, which I have done, I've turned the base already. You are going to fold the circle into four, then you mark the midpoint. At that midpoint, that's where you are going to put the base. That's where you are going to place the base. Can you see? I went ahead to also press the base. So you go ahead and sew it all round. Ensure you pin it at the midpoint, which I've just shown you. So go ahead and sew it all through. So I've done that, and I went ahead to sew my strips also. Just go and sew a tiny um, rope. Let it be tiny, because we gave half inch for the rope allowance there. So for that place that I sewed twice, can you see? Look at the video clearly. I'll go ahead and insert hole inside. Can you see? Please do not tear the fabric. Do not cut it at the outer part of the purse. Cut it at the inside part of the purse. Okay, so after doing that, you can go ahead and use your safety pin to cling to the rope. Can you see? Cling it to the rope like so. Then you go ahead and pass it through that place that you fix your that you sewed twice, that you cut through just now. So you can see the essence of us sewing this place. So go ahead and pass your rope all through it like so, and be patient as you pass the rope. Please drag it, be dragging it, and you will till you come out at the other side. So can you see I have brought out the rope, and our bag is coming out. It is beautiful. The camera is not doing justice to it. If you wear this bag, somebody must admire it. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring out our beads. Ensure the bead it has hole that wire can pass through. So you go ahead, you can get your wire in the tailor's shop. Go ahead and take your wire like so, and pass the bead through it. So you pass it till you feel the desired length of your purse. So if you want the handle to be long, your wire should be long. So this is it. You can see how it is. I have done that quickly. The next thing, I went ahead to fold the edge of the handle. Can you see? I folded it so that I can, from that folded part, I can stitch it to the purse with my needle and thread. In fact, this bag is so beautiful. This purse is so beautiful. If you try it and you carry this bag, people must admire it. You know, you can do business. You can start selling this purse after making it. You have plenty customers. Do you know that? So go ahead and try it. I want to see if it works for you. All right, so I'm trying to bend it. As you can see, I've already demonstrated how to bend uh the wire at the tip there. So you go ahead and look for any point that you want to fix your handle like so. You can decide to fix two handles. It all depends on you. Be creative. So I'll go ahead and fix it. So where your ropes come at, determine where you should put your handle. You can see how I'm going to fix it with my needle and thread. All right, so I am through, and this is the purse. The purse is not really, in fact, the camera is not giving me the beauty. Anyway, thank you for watching this video till the end. There are other videos on my channel. Please do well to check on my channel, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share it. See you in our next tutorial.